Hello there everybody. Right now in this video I am just making up a dirty cup of colors here. I would have to try to remember what I used, so bear with me a second. I think Van Dyke Brown, there was a mint green, pearl white, that right there is a baby blue color, Bahama blue I think. I'm using an aqua green, a burnt sienna, copper, gold, a couple of different whites, pearl white, and there's the white enamel in there. And the mint green is also an enamel one. Excuse me, enamel. And I can't remember anything else. My colors are all pre-mixed, so I can't name you exactly what's in all my bottles. And I really don't follow recipes, so as you know, we get the big pearly clouds from the enamel paint. So there's some enamel in here, and again, I don't follow recipes. I just wing it, throw down whatever I feel like, and I kind of like the surprise of what happens. So I just don't have the patience for measuring and things like that. Hats off to all the people who do, but it's not me. And I have big jugs of things that are all mixed up. I shake it up, and I just use what I feel like using for the moment that I'm doing it. So you can see what happens here. I had lots of fun with this one tonight. My daughter happens to love it now and wants it. So I guess this one is going for her. This was just a little 12 by 16 canvas tonight that I just wanted to have some fun. And it was. So I hope you enjoy watching. Well, at this point, I'm thinking, okay, what am I going to be doing with this painting after? Because I usually like to paint on them or do something with them after. So I was kind of hoping that little area of dark brown there and gold would stick around and not get too covered up. I'm sitting here contemplating, all right, what will I make out of this once it's finished exploding? Um, but then, of course, like I said, my daughter came in and saw it and loves it. So she wants to keep it just how it ended up. And you'll see that here in a moment. Okay, there we go. So this one is just going to be left just like this. Um, Pretty wild. And it really is a lot of fun to watch. Every time you turn around, there's just more and more and more filled in. And it's really kind of fun just to watch that happen. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video for tonight. It was sure a lot of fun to do. And the colors in there, in between all those little clouds, there's various colors. Um, I just love it when the gold or copper or the metallics lace through the cells that way through the clouds, and it just pops for as far as veining, which I really love. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a great weekend. Bye, everyone.